This is a hand-posing BR3 for Canon, Nikon, Sony. Check online for further details about the product and the models they offer for your camera. We have the remote control, USB-C compliance cable, and lanyard strap. Setting up is simply taking the lanyard strap, squeezing the ends together, and sliding through. Charging the unit for the first time is taking the cable, plugging into the side of the unit, and taking off the sticker and charging. The battery indicator will be on the side, and when turning on the unit, the lower left, you see the battery indicator and fully charge. We are on Bluetooth scanning for the device. Setting up your camera is turning on and going through the settings. With the world Bluetooth function, pairing, remote control, turn on Bluetooth. Go down to remote control, turn on. Long press the button for pairing. Once the button is pressed, allow pairing for the device and press OK. The unit is now paired. Press OK and back out of the screen. We're able to hit the positive and zoom in, negative and zoom out. We're able to hit the AF on, autofocus, and off. We're able to hit the record button, record a video, and go off. We're able to hit the center button to take a video and off. The ZF button, the C1 button, background to focus on and clear, and the pair button. All this is shown in the window. Wide, telephoto, AF on and off, record button, the shutter button, the ZF button, C1 button, and the off button. With the remote control simply turning on and connecting to the camera, pointing to the camera up to 28 feet away, we're able to remotely start our camera and pause our camera. For the Sony cameras, the ZV-1 and other makes and models. So here we are doing a video recording of the Sony ZV-1 Mark II with the remote control. We are recording with the BR3 remote control. It is a very easy to operate and with a window with white letterings with USB-C charging for up to 10 hours of runtime. I hope you enjoy the remote control and how easy it is to set up and use for your camera needs. For studios, going out in the field where you need to point the remote control remotely, placing the camera up where you cannot reach or in the distance where you need to have a remote control. And on that note, thank you very much for viewing.